Things you need for a smooth vaginal comfort postpartum. So, how do you become comfortable afterwards? There are things that happen down there after you give birth that you need to be aware of. You will have bleeding for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, depending on your body. And there are some things that you can use that can really make your life easy. So I'm going to give you just five of them, and I know that they will be very, very helpful. Number one, you want to get a comfy underwear, or rather, you can even use they look like boxer or boxer shorts. Those are usually very comfortable based on how you delivered. You want to check something if you had a C-section that it doesn't hurt you on your incision. If you had a vaginal delivery, make sure you find something very comfortable that holds your belly in. Funny enough, you always want your belly to be in after delivery, which really helps you be more comfortable and put your organs back to place because they are usually everywhere after delivery. Number two, you want to get good and maxi heavy duty pads. Make sure that it's something that can last for long because the first few days the bleeding tends to be very heavy. So you want a pad that doesn't fill up so quick, but a pad that can hold a lot of blood at once. Find those, or some people, instead of wearing biker shorts, they find it comfortable to wear those diapers, those adult diapers that you can wear, which already have an inbuilt pad. So if that's an option that you like, sometimes they can be comfortable to some people, sometimes uncomfortable for other people. So it's up to you. If that is comfortable for you, you can opt for the diapers or just buy regular pads, but make sure they are the heavy maxi pads that can hold a lot for longer. Number three, you want to find tucks. So tucks, you can put, maybe they come in like a round piece, so you can put them on top of the pad. You can either use two, three, four, based on the comfort that you want. They are usually very cold, so they provide a very soft and calming um situation down there, or if you put them on your pad, so they make you feel very comfortable. Number four, you want to use Dermoplast, or you can use any other spray that your doctors or your midwives recommend. And this is when, after you use the bathroom, you just spray down there. It helps you relieve that pressure. Sometimes it feels like a numb. It's like it numbs a little bit down there, and you can cool down for a few hours, because sometimes it tends to be very sore after delivery. Your vagina tends to be very, very sore. So Dermoplast usually helps with the pain and even the cooling down, and helps with itching as well. Number five, you can also be given at the hospital, you can be given a sitz bath. It usually helps a lot, especially in relieving pressure and are down there. So if you prefer to do that, some people, especially if you have a tear and a deep tear, it's very difficult to do a sitz bath because it's difficult to even sit on a toilet bowl. But if you are able to do it and do it comfortably, it really, really relieves pain. So those are a few things that you want to make sure you have after delivery for your postpartum, and that will give you enough and great care down there. Just a bonus point, make sure you have a bottle that you can be putting water for after use of the bathroom. If you're fresh right after delivery, please make sure you have that bottle. I'll put a picture of it, that you can while you are peeing, you spray that bottle, your water down there, not after, while you're peeing, because if you had a tear, it can burn down there because you're already sore. So make sure you press and spray, or rather just make sure water is coming out the same time your pee is coming out, so that it doesn't burn down there. It really sometimes usually hurts, but I know that you will have a great recovery. Make sure you prepare these things ahead of time. Have them before you go to the hospital or to your respective place of birth. All the best, and I'll see you.